and work towards a better future. I really am. I really have a goal for it all. Like I said, I actually have something I want to work towards and actually have a future with. Even if I have to start from nothing.
That's awesome. And Mr. Carney, I love what I'm hearing. And if I hear it when you're released from jail too, then I'll believe it. But right now, everybody says whatever they got to get out of jail. Misdemeanor files from May 16th, 26 out of Van Buren, and misdemeanor file from July 11 out of Van Buren. Would you waive formal reading on all those files?
I will, Your Honor.
All right. I'll enter not guilty pleas for Mr. Carney on all files. Mr. Carney, as to the misdemeanor files, pretrial date on those is going to be live in my courtroom, August 13th at 11:30 in the morning. Understood?
Yes, sir.
On the felony file, we're going to schedule a probable cause conference on Zoom August 4th with Judge Martin.
Yes, sir.
Counsel, let's talk about bond.
Judge, I know that the police department is recommending 5,000%, but we are actually asking for a personal bond since these are all 26 cases. Mr. Carney was actually supposed to have a job interview 2 days ago, but the day before he had a car accident. And so he's been a little disheveled, doesn't have the ability to post a cash bond due to the rough time that he's been going through. I have explained to him the ramifications around not returning to court if he is giving a personal bond, but I don't think that he has any reason to not return, Your Honor.
All right. What's employment situation?
He's not employed presently, but was supposed to have a job interview.
When's the last time you worked, Mr. Carney?
The last time I worked an actual job was last spring, but I've been doing DoorDash as a temporary thing in the background basically this whole time.
Just give me an idea, average week, how many hours were you door dashing?
About 20 hours, 25, 30 hours. As much as I can. I had nothing else to do all day. I had to feed myself. That was the only thing I could do.
So what other responsibilities do you have?
No people, just some stuff now, like my car is in the impound, my mini bike is in the impound, I gotta pay to get those out.
I'm talking about for the last year, you look like a healthy guy and you're working 20 hours a week. What else are you doing?
I was just living in my car. That's what I was saying. I was just living in my car. And okay. I went down to Ohio for a week in June. And then I came back within a week because my girlfriend was down there. But that's it.
Whose address do I have in the file for this 898 Sumter?
So that is his mother's prior address. Oh, of course, he can't return there and he doesn't live there. He's hoping that if he is allowed out that he'll be able to go to his grandmother's house.
All right, well, here's the problem. I'm not letting him out of there without an alcohol tether. He's picked up 2 drunk driving charges in less than 3 weeks. So I got to have an address to GPS tether. So if my option is set a high enough bond that he's not out, or let him out and I don't know where he's going, I'm not letting him out.
I don't know my grandmother's address. We could find it and.
Me having your grandmother's address and her not letting you in the front door don't do me much good. So. Well,
I'm sure, but I haven't been able to talk to her over this. I don't even know if she knows what's happened with my car accident. Even since my car accident, I haven't been able to talk to her. So I don't know if she won't let me stay with her, or my stepfather, or my aunt. I don't know. I have another aunt in right there on Cherry Hill. Her name's Tracy Traxler.
Okay, but brother, I'm not making phone calls to your relative to find you a bed for tonight. Who's the observer that's on my Zoom?
It's the tether.
I didn't ask any questions, right? Mr. Carney. You shouldn't be talking. Who's the observer that's on my Zoom? Hello? Observer for Carney.
Are you referring to me, Officer Valinsky, sir?
No, I got an observer for Carney that's zoomed in this morning.
I got it. I'm sorry, I don't know how to use the app, Your Honor, but I've
figured it out now.
My name is Tony Hitzman.
And what, you related to Mr. Carney?
I am related by proximity. He's my best friend's son.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
That's fine. I just wanted to know if you were one of these relatives he's talking about.
Okay. Well, I do have information regarding that if
Sure. Go ahead.
you would like it, Your Honor.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you got?
Judge, can we
Okay,
have her come
so-
on camera? Just 'cause
All right.
we don't know who that
I
is.
can
I'm sorry.
absolutely turn
Hold
my
on. Hold on. I
camera
got too many people talking. Hold on, ma'am.
All right.
Mr. Darby, I didn't hear what you said.
Yeah, I was just asking if we could have her come on camera just because she's
Yeah.
saying one thing, but we
Yeah.
don't really know
Yeah.
if this is her or not.
You know something about his living arrangement options, ma'am?
Yes, I do. And he has no options. His grandmother, his mother has a PPO against him for violent threats and harassment. His stepfather has just filed a PPO 2 days ago for violent threats and harassment. They actually moved out of the house at 898 Sumter Road to a new address to remove themselves from Mr. Carney. His grandmother, Virginia Carney, sold the house and moved into a 55 community where he is not allowed to enter premises. I mean, he could visit, but she's not going to allow him to. She purchased his car. She paid for all of his insurance. Frank has a drinking problem, and he has been offered many options for housing. I had a whole program set up for him through Detroit Furnace. Okay, the heating and cooling company, they run a 3-quarter house where they offer employment and AA and help with the court. It's a wonderful program. He refuses to take it. That's why he's continued living in his car. He has no address to be tethered to,
Yeah.
and he has slid on every charge. Okay, he has slid every time he's been busted. Every time.
All right.
He has nowhere to go if you release him. Okay, and that, I'm going to say my personal recommendation is that you do keep him in because he has to go.
All right.
So
Let me ask you this.
he's just, if
Geographically,
you let him out, he's just going to do the same
geographically,
thing.
where do you live? I don't want an address, just where do you live?
I'm in
All right.
I'm in
You
River
got to come
Rouge.
in and come see me and tell me more about this Detroit Furnace place. That sounds like a
I
wonderful
can do that.
resource that I'd like to know about.
It's an amazing program. It is.
Never
It's
heard of it.
absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
When would you like me to come?
What's convenient for you?
It would have to be after 2:00 today.
What do you,
Would have
what's
to
your
be after
schedule
2
look
o'clock.
like Monday or Tuesday
I'm-
next week?
I can come Monday next week. Just whatever time, just schedule it.
You tell me what time works for you.
Will 11 a.m. work?
Let me look.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
That'll
11
work.
a.m. Monday, I can be
Yeah.
there.
Jamie,
And you're
get that face.
I'm sorry?
Get that
you're
face.
you,
34th District Court on Wayne Road in Romulus, Judge Oakley. When you get here, just tell security I'm waiting to see you.
you got it.
All
You
right?
got it.
Yeah,
All right.
next Monday.
Next Monday?
Next Monday. Yeah. 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 Thank you,
No,
ma'am. I
it-
appreciate that. Sounds like a
Absolutely.
wonderful program.
And please
All
know that the only reason that I'm willing to interject here is because Frank actually does need help. Okay, he
Oh, that's
does
obvious.
need help. He's
Obvious.
just young, and he's got the world by the butt, like we all did. There's been no penalty for him so far,
Right.
and he
Okay. I appreciate your
Okay.
comments, ma'am. Counselor, do you want to have another
Absolutely.
breakout room with Mr. Carney? Because I'm not letting him out if there's not a plan. I mean, this
We
guy's a
did,
danger.
we did discuss that, but I mean, I'm happy to go back and let him know, given the new information that the court has just received.
All right.
I'm happy to rediscuss with him.
All right, thank you.
Mhm.
Oh, yes.
Zamudio.
Get to talk to her because she wanted me to break up. And
Please.
just proper.
Please, you got great counsel.
Oh,
Okay.
perfect.
Let's get some composure here. Please.
All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Carney. Counsel, your appearance, if you don't mind.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Davon Darby, P82806 on behalf of Mr. Carney.
All right, anything else before I set bond?
Nothing further, Your Honor. I did have a discussion with Mr. Carney to try to help him to understand a little bit better, but nothing further. We still don't have an address or anything like that.
Thank you.
So they want me to have access to call my aunt. So I don't.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand a word you just said, Mr. Carney.
I have my father's sister lives on Cherry Hill. I was trying to get the number or just the address so I could call her and see if I would be allowed to stay there on a tether, because would be my last option. Not my Aunt Tony, not the one that we were just talking to, but my father's sister, and see if she would let me stay there. I was trying, but I don't know her. I know her phone number's in my phone, but I don't know it by heart. Well, she lives right up there by the Walmart on Cherry Hill. Sorry, sir.
Judge, I would just like to say for the record that I do think that Mr. Kearney could benefit from some assistance. I mean, I guess that's essentially what the witness just said as well. But I think he could benefit.
I'm sure he could.
That he might be able to get based on what the court is getting ready to recommend.
Yeah, I'd love to help him. But it sounds like Mr. Carney hasn't yet reached the point where he's ready for help.
I'm ready for help. I don't want to drink anymore. You're going to put me on an alcohol test. I will not break. I promise you, there will not be one violation. I really am ready to quit and work towards a better future. I really am. I really have a girlfriend. You know, like I said, I actually have something I want to work towards and actually have a future with. Even
That's
if I have to
awesome.
start from nothing.
That's
Even if
awesome. And Mr. Carney, I love what I'm hearing. And if I hear it when you're released from jail too, then I'll believe it. But right now, everybody says whatever they got to get out of jail.
What began as a bond hearing quickly turned tense when Carney kept pleading for another chance. He promised the judge he was ready to stop drinking and rebuild his life, but the judge wasn't convinced. After hearing excuse after excuse, he finally shut Carney down, making it clear the decision was already made.
No, like I said, I'm not just trying to get out of jail.
Mr. Kearney, stop talking.
Yeah, I've already made my decision, Mr. Carney, so you're just going to wear yourself out. So on the felony file, I'm going to put you on just a straight personal bond,
Okay.
$5,000. Bond conditions are obvious. Stay out of trouble. Show up for your court date, which is 8:30 on, I think I said it earlier. Probable cause conference is going to be at 8:30 on August 4. That's going to be Zoom with Judge Martin. So stay out of trouble, show up for your court date, and you're golden on that bond. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. On file 0574, which is the July 10 incident date, which includes a drinking and driving charge, and 260575, similar charge from May 16th. On those, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. Stay out of trouble, show up for your court date, which is going to be August 13th on all these misdemeanors. In addition, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance that includes alcohol and or marijuana, and you will not be released unless you're on an alcohol tether. They will not put you on a tether unless you have a permanent address. So
Yes, sir.
while you're in custody, work the phones, try to find somebody that will take you in. Understood?
Sir, would I pretty please be able to run in my locker and make a phone call real quick?
We'll just go say.
I'm sorry, can you what? I missed that. I'm having trouble with the audio.
He was talking to the
sorry.
officer, asking the officer.
Okay, all right. Okay. Any questions for your attorney, sir, before I terminate this meeting?
No, not at the moment.
Good luck, Mr. Carney.
Thank you very
All right,
much.
thank you, Van Buren. Stay safe.
Thank you, counselor.
You're welcome.
Judge,
Thank
do we
you.
know about 26-0573?
I don't know, what is it?
Girl, your phone in a little bit.
Don't leave,
Right
Van
now,
Buren.
go back. We go.
That's the MDOP. That's just a straight $1,000 personal.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
That's the MDOP.
Okay, thank you.
Bonds?
Thank
I
you.
just need to get, okay, so I just need to get a place to tell it. Okay.
Whitney, we're good.
We're great.
Okay, bye-bye.
Can you break out
Like-
again? Oh, Whitney, just stick them in a breakout again.
Do I keep my camera on?
No, you can turn your camera.
You can turn it off now.
I'll put him in a breakout room.
Thank you.
I'm just checking his name or what?
This is a civil infraction, and I'm gonna think to ask them to schedule it with his hearing on the 13th, because otherwise it's just gonna go to default.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna have them schedule that.
Perfect. All right. Blazer?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, counsel.
Later, stands my license. My name is Michael Jason Blazer.
Thank you.
For the purposes of
Tell me about it.
grateful rating judge will stand you you have a resolution.
Yeah, you do. Put it on the record.
He's going to plead to an added count. Driving while license suspended.
Okay. Sir, you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? The added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on June 24, 26 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, counsel? So am I. Did you already pay the no proof of insurance or otherwise take care of that one? Okay. Thank you. All right. What should I know about Mr. Blazer?
He filed his appeal with Secretary of State last September. It was denied. His paperwork was correct. He's eligible now this September. I believe he's going to proceed with me and retaining the firm now that we've gotten this taken care of. We're going to roll right into that.
Okay.
So since last one to be in 2010. I think.
So he's got a good chance.
Yeah, but.
Good. Good. Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work? Okay. How long you been with Meyer?
For a year and a half. Before that, I ran an auto shop for 15 years.
That's a big transition.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
the guy that I worked for, he ended up getting really sick and he sold his company back to corporate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I had a friend that worked at Myers and he finally left Myers because he couldn't stand their return policy. Yeah. Like people that would pay, they'd buy 3 pounds of crab legs and bring back nothing but shell and say, I didn't like these. And he'd have to give their money back. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't know, maybe this was years ago, so I don't know if that's still true or not, but it used to drive him nuts and he finally said, I can't work like this.
Problem there.
Yeah. Yeah, but customer's always right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is why my wife pays so much for her groceries at Myers, right? Yeah. Okay. What else should I consider?
He hasn't been pulled over since, outside of this, since 2010. He's largely remained out of the criminal justice system. I would just ask for fines and costs.
Okay. All right. Fines that cost $500. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs and make my cashier smile.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your
You as well, gentlemen. Alvaranga?
Thank you, Your Honor. Josh Hadley, appearing on behalf of Ms. Guadalupe Alvaranga.
With the assistance for our attorney,
What's your name, sir?
Alfonso Cigarra.
Mr. Seagal, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English and Spanish so we can all discuss this matter? Let the lady know what we talked about. Ma'am, I understand that you are pleading responsible to an added charge of double parking. Yes? I understand that you've also agreed to pay fines at cost of $250. Correct?
Yes,
When can you pay the $250?
they,
As soon as that's paid, I will dismiss both your original charges. Any questions? Thank you, sir. Stick with her through the cashier if you would.
Have a great day. Very much. Thank you, sir.
Is it Zamudio?
Yes.
Counsel?
You see him running around P 3665 on the, let me go, sir, please say your full name, please.
I'm Munoz.
Thank you. So double parking and everything else goes away?
Yes.
That's clean enough. We'll do the double parking on the B ticket, Heather. That's the way you want to resolve this, sir? And you've agreed to pay $200? When? By 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As soon as that gets paid, we'll dismiss all these.
Very much.
Have a great day, gentlemen.
Thank you. Let me rush.
All right, I gotta catch up with my paperwork, John.
Okay.
I'll pull the file. You don't come up here.
Okay. Is it Natalie?
Counsel, are we ready for,
I think we're ready. We're still going down the same train that we were going down before the
Yeah.
breakout room, but yeah, we're ready.
all right, we gotta get him out of the breakout room. What was that last one? Was it $200?
250.
Tomorrow.